O in O.
O in po.
O.
O. Right.
In bird. Flat your mouth. In bird.
In bird.
This is ka.
Ka.
Ka. Not ga. Ka.
Ka.
Ka. Ka.
Ka.
This is ha.
Ka.
Ha.
Ka.
Ha.
Ka.
E in east.
E in east.
Chir.
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 I in I.
I in I.
E in A in hay.
A in hay.
Cow in cow.
Cow in cow.
O in soul.
Cow in soul.
On in taken.
In taken.
On in German Angus.
In German uncle.
On in uncle.
In uncle.
On in song.
In song.
Or in teacher.
Or in teacher.
Okay. One more. Just we are going to revise 1 to 10. E.
E.
R.
R.
Sun.
Sun.
Shi.
Shi.
U.
U.
Liu.
Liu.
Qi.
Qi.
Pa.
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 Qiu.
Qiu.
Shi.
Shi.
Say it. E.
R.
Sun.
Shi.
U. Liu. Qi.
Pa.
Pa. Qiu. Shi. Shi 11. Shi R 12. Shi San 13. Shi Shi 14. Shi U 15. Shi Liu
16.
16. Shi Qi 17. Shi Pa 18. Shi Qiu 19. R Shi 20. R E 21. R 22. R Shan
23.
23. R C
24.
R U
25.
R
Liu.
Liu
26.
R Qi
27.
R Pa
28.
R Qiu
29.
San Shi
30.
San Yi
31.
San Yi
21.
San R
32. 32.
32. San
Sun.
San
33.
San Shi
34.
San U
35.
San Liu
36.
San
G.
San U 35.
37.
U San U
35.
San Liu
36.
San
G.
San Qi What's
37.
San Pa
38.
San Qiu
39.
Okay. Pi is equal to 100. Pi. Pi. For 200.
Boat. Boat.
R5.
R5.
For 300. Sun5.
Sun5.
Then 1000. Ichian.
Ichen.
Ichian. Qian is 1000. Ichian means 1000. Archen
2000.
1000. Sanchen
3000.
Okay. Again one more. R in frog.
R in frog.
O in ball.
O in bow.
In bird.
In bird.
Go. K. E in east.
E in east.
Shu. I in eye.
I in eye.
A in head.
A in head.
Which one? This one? Yeah. German Angus. ANGST. GRMAN ANGST. Angus.